and my friend, we love to learn. We are happy when we learn. I and my friend, we love to learn. We are happy every time. I and my friend.
Another Rwandan national symbol is the coat of arms. This is the Rwandan coat of arms. On the coat of arms is where we find the national motto.
What is the national motto?
A national motto is a phrase that represents our values as Rwandans. Our national motto is unity, work, and patriotism.
What does that phrase mean?
Unity means that we should live together in harmony and help each other. Work means that we should work hard to develop ourselves and our country. Patriotism means we should love our country and protect it.
Oh! I get it! The coat of arms tells us to live together in harmony, work hard, and love our country.
Unity, work, patriotism. I will memorize this. Unity, work, patriotism.
You are very smart. Do you know any other national symbols?
Yes, the national flag.
Ah, yes, but any other national symbol we haven't talked about yet? Another national symbol is the national anthem. Do you know how to sing the national anthem?
Yes, we sing it at school every morning before class.
I don't know all the words.
It's okay. Let us sing it. I will teach you. It is important to stand up and look towards the national flag and stop everything you are doing in respect to the country.
Yes, even when you are walking, you have to stop and wait for it to end.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Rwanda NZIZA gihugu cyacu, wuje imisozi ibiyaga n'ibirunga, ngo byiduhetse gahuranisha, reka tukurate tukuvuge bigwe, wowe utubumbiye hamwe twese abanyarwanda uko watubyaye, berwa sugira sigizwe iteka.
I cannot wait to tell Mom and Dad about the national symbols.
Me too! I will tell them about the national flag and the colors in our national flag and what they represent.
I will also tell them about the national coat of arms and the national motto.
Don't forget the national anthem. Sing for them the stanza I taught you.
We will!
Let us go home now, Ganza. Thank you for teaching us about the national symbols, Wakame. See you next time.
Goodbye, my friends.
Goodbye, Mr. Wakame.
All right.
We are happy every time.